Wait, pause. Before you let 2025 close, before you jump into New Year, new me, answer me this. If nothing changes in your habits, your mindset, your choices, what makes you believe 2026 will feel different? A better year doesn't happen by accident. It happens by alignment. And alignment starts with honest reflection. Welcome to Dream Life Diaries, where we don't just talk about motivation. We turn pain into purpose and purpose into a plan. Today, I'm going to give you 7 life-shifting questions that don't just inspire you. They wake you up. They bring you back to yourself. And they help you walk into 2026 with clarity, courage, and God-led direction. Get a notebook or open your notes app, because if you answer these questions honestly, you won't just start a new year, you'll start a new chapter. If you're here right now, there's a reason. Maybe 2025 stretched you, maybe it humbled you, maybe it broke something in you or revealed something in you. And if you had low moments, listen closely. That doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. It means you felt life. Here in Dream Life Diaries, we don't shame the struggle. We learn from it, we heal through it, and we rise from it. Because I believe this with all my heart. God doesn't waste your pain, He uses it. He reshapes you. He prepares you. So let's do this together, one question at a time. Question 1. What drained you the most in 2025? Not what annoyed you. What consistently drained your peace? Was it a relationship that only takes? A job that steals your joy? Constant worry? Overthinking? Or people-pleasing? Carrying burdens that were never yours? Write it down without judging yourself. Because truth is not drama. Truth is direction. Question 2. What lifted you up in 2025? What gave you life? The moments that made you feel lighter, present, grateful, connected, proud. Sometimes the biggest highlights weren't big events, they were small moments that healed something inside you. Write them down, because your joy is not random, it's a clue. Question 3. What did 2025 try to teach you? Your year wasn't just good or bad, it was a teacher. So ask, what lesson keeps repeating? What pattern showed up again and again? What did God reveal about me? Maybe you learned you need boundaries. Maybe you learned you need rest. Maybe you learned you need better friends. Maybe you learned you need to forgive. Maybe you learned you've been delaying your calling. Your experiences are not just memories. They are data for your destiny. Question 4. What must you release before you enter 2026? This is the question most people skip, and that's why they repeat the same year. What do you need to let go of? Not just habits, identities. Maybe you need to release. I'm too old to start again. I always mess things up. I'll do it when I'm ready. I have to do everything alone. Some things aren't meant to be carried into a new year. Release it so you can receive what God is trying to give you. Question 5. What will you stop doing in 2026? Let's make this practical. Winners don't just add goals, they subtract distractions. So what are you going to stop? Maybe you'll stop doom scrolling at night. Stop entertaining people who disrespect you. Stop delaying your health. Stop saying yes while your soul screams no. Stop negotiating with habits that destroy your future. Pick one big stop, because one strong decision can change your whole year. Question 6. What will you continue doing in 2026? What worked? What protected your peace? What strengthened you? Maybe you continue your prayer life. Maybe you continue your morning walk. Maybe you continue journaling. Maybe you continue learning new skills. Maybe you continue choosing boundaries. Maybe you continue showing up consistently for your family. Don't overlook what you did right. Celebrate it. Build on it. And now, question 7. What is one thing you will commit to becoming in 2026? Not just what you'll do. Who will you become? Because goals are powerful, but identity is stronger. So choose one word, one identity, one direction. Disciplined, peaceful, healthy, courageous, consistent, faithful, healed, focused. Now say this out loud. In 2026, by God's grace, I am becoming a person who... That's not wishful thinking. That's alignment. And alignment changes everything. As 2025 ends, I want you to know this. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are not disqualified. If you're still breathing, God is still writing. And 2026 can be your best year, not because life becomes perfect, but because you become intentional. And when you walk with God, even your setbacks can become setups. So if this message spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video so more people can find hope. Subscribe to Dream Life Diaries if you want motivation that's real, faith-rooted, and life-changing. Comment your one word for 2026. I want to cheer you on. And share this with someone who needs a fresh start. And watch more motivational and inspirational videos here on Dream Life Diaries, because the right message at the right moment can change a life. This is Dream Life Diaries, where we rise with faith, live with purpose, and step into the future, one God-led decision at a time.